Greetings. CRM Analytics offers several templated dashboards out of the box, and these are great to get you started, give you the essential dashboard layouts and key performance indicators. And this is a great starting point if you want to understand your data, and then, of course, you can customize it further. So, this video covers the basic setup of a sales analytics app. Okay, so I'm logged into Salesforce CRM Analytics and I'm in Analytics Studio. So click on Create and select App. Instead of selecting a blank app, let's select a template. And as you scroll down, you'll see several templates. We are interested in the Sales Analytics app. So this app helps the entire sales team unlock the full power of Sales Cloud. It has information about opportunities, accounts, contacts, and so forth. So let's go ahead and select that and click on Continue. So here it gives you a brief overview of what this dashboard does, gives you visibility into the pipelines and trends, and also talks about the various objects that are used in this dashboard. So as you can see, pretty much every critical object in the Sales Cloud is included, so you get a complete analysis of your sales team and its performance. Okay, so these are some of the dashboards that are included in an app. Let's click on Continue. So let's select Create a brand new app. So one of the things it checks is if you're meeting the minimum requirements. Minimum requirements for Sales Analytics app, as it indicates here, are at least one account, opportunity, task, and event record, and 3 opportunity history rows. It checks if all of the objects are in place, whether the integration user has access to all the fields or not, and then the Salesforce configuration to make sure that this is in line with what the app is expecting. If the app is heavily customized, sometimes you may see issues here, so something to keep in mind. All right, checks for the data. We are all set, looks like. Then let's go ahead and click on Looks Great next. So in this video, we'll look at the basic setup. This is what Salesforce recommends for first-time users. So let's select that. And what it does is, based on Salesforce's knowledge of your data and what it recommends, you will be presented with the final dashboard. So you don't have to make a whole lot of selections here. It does all that decision making for you. So I'm going to call this Sales Analytics App Basics. Basic. Let's click on Create. Now it takes a few minutes for it to process this, and we'll check back in a few minutes. Great. So now, after a few minutes of setup, the app is complete. Now we are able to see the Sales Analytics app. So let's go ahead and refresh this page. Now, as you can see in this app, you have several dashboards that are included, as well as several data sets that it uses from multiple objects. Okay, so let's go ahead and open one of the dashboards. Let's start with the home page. So that's your sales overview home page. You also have the sales analytics home. Let's start at the sales analytics home. Alright, so the sales analytics homepage is the place where you start if you want to analyze your sales team's performance. This is also a place to start if you want to start exploring customization. So what we'll do is, just to make sure we have the latest data, let's refresh the data that's coming from Trailhead, which is feeding this dashboard. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the app launcher and go to Trailhead Data Manager. Let's go to the Trailhead Data Manager, and as you see here, the data is not refreshed, so let's go ahead and refresh the data. It takes a few seconds. Alright, now the refresh is complete. Let's go back to the CRM Analytics app and reload the page. Now all of the data in the dashboard should now be available. Let's scroll down and see. Let's go to leaderboard, and what you can do is you can change the time period to all time. And here you will see how each of the team members are performing with respect to open pipeline or closed one and so forth. All right, and yeah, so this is the dashboard. Explore it, and then we'll reconnect on it to see some of the features and also customize the app further. Thank you.